Stop overpaying on taxes. Use these simple tips to keep more money in your pocket. First up, make sure you're claiming all eligible deductions. Did you know you can deduct things like charitable donations and even some medical expenses? Yep, it's true. Next, consider contributing to a retirement account like a 401k or IRA. Not only does this help secure your future, but it can also lower your taxable income now. It's a win-win. Don't forget about education credits. If you're paying for school, you might qualify for the American Opportunity or Lifetime Learning Credit. These can save you a ton. Have you heard of tax loss harvesting? It's a fancy term for selling investments at a loss to offset gains. This can seriously cut down your tax bill. Another tip: check your filing status. Sometimes filing jointly or separately can make a big difference in your tax bracket. Do the math to see what's best for you. Last but not least, keep good records. Receipts, statements, anything that can back up your deductions and credits. It makes tax time a breeze and keeps you prepared in case of an audit. So there you have it. Simple, practical tips to help you save big on your taxes. Remember, a little effort now can pay off in a big way later. Happy saving, everyone.